Okay guys, there is a chord you want to try in AmpleSound because it sounds so cool. And that chord is the minor seventh. Okay, so minor seventh chords are known to sound sweet and funky at the same time. And many great artists have used them in their creations. For example, Long Train Running by the Doobie Brothers, or Lips Inc.'s famous Funky Town, and many others. So there must be something great to do with the minor seventh and AmpleSound, and that's what we're gonna do in this video. Alright, first part of the video, I'm gonna use a minor seventh chord with an acoustic guitar.
Okay, though we have many forms of minor seventh chords possible, one is actually super great and super easy to use. So if we take a B minor over there, and if we want to make it a minor seventh, we'll just have to add an A. And the easiest way possible is to just replace that octave note, the B, by the A over there. So AmpleSound actually gives you the minor seventh in this position, all right, position 2. And with this chord, we can make great stuff. Example.
It sounds just great, right? So I think you can use it as a transition between a minor and a major chord, and that would be awesome. And now let's try it with an electric guitar.
Okay, so the last chord progression we used was a B minor 7, an A major, and an A suspended 4. So this chord progression is great, and this time we're going to use it again, but a little bit higher. And because we are with an electric guitar, we can add some muted strum over there, which sounds just funky. So this chord progression will be with an E minor 7, D, and D suspended 4. And here we go.
So just adding a seventh note to a chord makes it sound so sweet and funky. So now let's try it with an arpeggio. So let's come back to a B minor and let's play the following. Okay, now let's have a look at the MIDI programming of the guitar. So if we transform the minor chord the way we transformed the chords in the first two songs, we just move the B2 note down to an A2 note. And now we have a minor seventh. Okay, but what we want is a relationship between the minor and the minor seventh, because that is just great. So what if we just move the two first notes back up there? Well, I think it would sound super great. And let's make a song out of it. enjoyed the video, give it a like if you did, and subscribe to the channel because more content is on the way.